Hi, welcome back to my channel, lovelies. I am here going to show you today how I used the die that I got from TEMU, the envelope die with the circles here that you can close it with. And I made window die, envelopes for my mini album that I've been working on. I'm going to show you how I did that. Out of the die set, I did use, of course, the envelope die, and I used the circle die and the large window. Oops. So I used those to make this. I also used 110-pound cardstock to help make the closures here sturdy, and then a piece of pattern paper. So they are layered 3 times. Awesome, let's get into it. Well, here's one. This is the first one that I made. Wasn't quite happy with it, so I wanted to try again. Here is one that I made here. It's going to go in my mini album, and I'll show you the front of this in just a moment. But I made, like, the acetate was just a little bit off here, and it's hard to cut that acetate, to be honest with you, for me. This is how my acetate comes. It comes in big sheets, but anyway, it was hard for me to figure out how to get the perfect size. I don't want to run it through my die cutting machine, and so anyway, I will be showing you how that I make this look much better in another video. We're going to add some embellishments to it, probably some flowers, but here's how they are closing. They go, like I said, was just it's the first one that I did. It's a little off on the sides, and I couldn't figure out how to attach this because my memory, We Are Memory Keepers punch does not go this far in on this side or this side, but I needed it to be about there because that looked better than the one that I had previously created. Remember this one where it's like this circle is kind of overlapping here? So we wanted it to look a little better. Anyway, so how I got past that was I punched the hole before, okay, before I taped it. Well, I punched a hole on this side as well, thinking that I could do something that way, but with the brats, but instead I decided not to use this one. I may do something with this later in the mini album because it is, you know, the pattern paper, it is the paper collection. Here are the cutouts from the window, and they measure 2.5 by 3.5, and they're perfect for ATC cards, for trading cards. But this is how this will work. All right, now this one, I did tape 2 pieces of acetate together and made like another pocket that you could put in. Like, instead of putting, in this one I put a shaker element, and I'll show you that one first. But this one I did not put. I can later put shaker stuff in there. I could put like a picture in there, add some shaker mix to it, tape it up and just leave it in there. I can just leave it as it is and put a picture or sentiment or something like that in there as well. It doesn't have to have anything, but you could still also, you know, put something in the back. So that's this one, and each one was just a little bit different. And here is the shaker card, and I just taped 2 pieces of my acetate together with this 1/8 of an inch score tape that I got from Amazon. I got 6 rolls of this for like $9. I'll leave a link. Really good. All right, but this is the shaker element. I like this as well. You can put a picture in here again, or a card, or anything. These will also fit in here, so that's also a bonus, because this could be like a matting or a journaling card. And this is how it fits. Now I will be decorating this pocket. This flips out, and then you have this side, and I'll be, you know, of course, decorating that as well. I don't know exactly what it will look like, but right now I'm happy with how this turned out. And yeah, I'm excited to continue. So I will continue showing you different things that I do in this album, because this is the one that I'm working on. Here's the front. I did fussy cut this out, put it on some cardstock and fussy cut around that. It's two little princesses here, or maybe it's a lady in waiting and a princess. Here is the Graphic 45 collection pack. I got the 12 by 12 double-sided papers. I also got the 12 by 12 background papers. There's 12 pages in each one. And I also got the 8 by 8 package well, and it came with, I don't know if you can see this, but it comes with like 2 of these chipboard elements. I'll just show you, it's right here. Chipboard elements here. And a sticker page. Oh, it comes with 2 sticker pages. Wait, I don't know if this is sticker. This may not be sticker. This looks like this is pockets and things. I've had it for so long and I just never opened it, but so these are just going to be elements that you can use, pockets you can create, little ephemera. And this page here is actually stickers, front and back. And they are 12 inches long, and then front and back, so that I will make them like a 12 by 12 sticker sheet and a 12 by 12 element sheet. And this is just the 12 by 6 thing of chipboard pieces. The person where I purchased it from also sent some ribbons and coordinating other little bits and pieces for it, so I will be using those throughout the video too, but or not the video, but the mini album. And so yeah, this is what we're working on. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like this video if you like it, and share too. There's also going to be a giveaway of the Specimen Files die set. That's what I call it. I got it from TEMU. There's a video about it, a comparison and everything with the Sizzix specimen die set. You can check that out if you'd like. I'll link it below as well in the description box. But yeah, thanks for coming to my channel. You guys enjoy your Memorial weekend. Bye now.